High blood pressure is actually called the silent killer for a reason because unfortunately it sneaks up on you and the symptom is a heart attack. So let's talk about some early warning signs that your body gives you that you may just be ignoring. We'll go over the signs you absolutely should never ignore and what you can do naturally as well as conventionally. If you're new to my channel, my name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. I like to say that I went to school so you don't have to. All this month, we've been talking about the heart, blood pressure, and a heart healthy month. And so if you're interested in learning more, we have a complimentary webinar that I put together. We recorded it live earlier this month. I typically record one webinar that's live in the month, and this one was on how to have healthy, holistic blood pressure. So if you're interested in learning lots and lots and lots about that, click the link in the bio below. So let's jump into these signs. So one of the first signs to look for is blurred vision, because early sign of high blood pressure can affect the eyes and put a lot of pressure on the eyes. So if you have blurred vision, can also be a sign of dehydration. So make sure that you drink a lot of water, but also make sure that you get minerals. So minerals like magnesium really can help. So if your potassium drops low, or your magnesium, or even your sodium is too high, all of those minerals, so got it, magnesium low, potassium low, sodium high, can all really put a lot of pressure, not just on your heart, but also your eyes as well. Frequent headaches, so often linked to hypertension spikes. So again, water, water, water. I cannot speak this enough. We need to drink a minimum of half of our body weight in ounces in water. And a lot of the early signs of dehydration are headaches. Dizziness or fainting if you have circulatory issues, and not just like, oh, you occasionally get up, but real dizziness, fainting, it can be a sign of a circulatory issue, a blockage of sorts. So definitely go and get that checked out by your conventional medical doctor. They have all kinds of amazing tools and techniques to be able to assess for that, because you don't want to wait and, play around. And then unfortunately, again, you've waited too long. Other kind of warning sign as well is chest pain or tightness. So again, when you experience these things, definitely seek medical attention ASAP. Don't mess around with these things. Of course, drink your water, get your minerals, get your electrolytes, rule that out, of course, but definitely if you're having persistent chest pain and tightness that does not go away, go to the nearest ER. You don't want to mess around with that. So if you want to learn more about what you can do holistically, and in this case, conventionally, we will discuss that in detail in the Holistic Health webinar about hypertension. We'll go over actually medications and some of the different side effects of medications, as well as nutrient depletion. So if you are currently on a blood pressure medication and need to know more information about it, happy to provide in our webinar. And then, of course, if you want a second, third, or even sometimes the last opinion, you can click the link below for a discovery call.